So we wait for the Sindoor depiction of 7 aircrafts. They will come from this side and go this side towards Kartavya Path. So we await the 7 aircrafts in Spearhead Formation for Sindoor depiction or Sindoor Formation. And they're going to be 2 Rafales, 2 Sukhoi 30s, 2 MiG-29s and 1 Jaguar. And they're going to, when they reach Kartavya Path, when they go here and they reach Kartavya Path, it's about 10 kilometers from here. They will coincide with the phased battle array format on the ground march past. And 3 formations are being dedicated to Operation Sindoor. Sindoor depiction of formation is one, and the earlier ones were Prahar and Dhwaj. I'm sorry, Garud and Prahar. Garud and Prahar, yeah. So we got something, I mean, this is the Sindoor formation. 2 Rafales, 2 Sukhoi 30s, 2 MiG-29s and 1 Jaguar in Spearhead Formation. They head towards Kartavya Path. This is the 4th formation for today, and this is taking place during the march past, and it's the 3rd formation dedicated to Operation Sindoor.